Glad Midsommar, happy Midsummer from Ängö Badplats. That's overlooking Öland Bridge that you can see over there. It is a quite central beach in Kalmar that has smaller sandy parts as well as a jetty over here that we're gonna take a swim in. And it has also, as the name says on the beach, Ängö, it has a meadow or an äng in Swedish. Here we have even a sign that says shallow water and even a hanger and a bench for having to put your things when you swim. So yes, it is 21st of June, Midsummer Eve, a national holiday in Sweden, when the day is the longest and Sweden is celebrating with quite a pagan way. It is this holiday, Midsummer, but dates long way back indeed. And I'm now here at Ängö Badplats that you can see. I can also see Varvsholmen on the other side where I took a swim on my first day, as today is day 3 of my vacation and I'm still in Kalmar. But very soon I'm gonna pass over the bridge with the bus all the way to Färjestaden in Öland. And yeah, so check out how the beach is actually as I'm getting ready. So yeah, this is actually beach day number 70 on my Sweden beach adventures. Yesterday was 69. I don't think I have mentioned in any of the 7 or 8 videos I made. But yeah, so let me just leave my sunglasses as I'm showing you more of the beach right here. I can maybe also take my things over there, it's convenient, but you can see more of the beach as I do that. And yes, I have I need to check out also from the hotel in 1 hour, so I really need to speed up. And here it says it's actually Kindbergsude, but on Google Maps it's Ängö Badplats. Yes, here it says Kindbergsude. So let's go take a swim with the view of the Öland Bridge that connects Kalmar with Öland Island, the 2nd largest island in Sweden. All right. I'm so eager to start the day with a swim. I actually had a very large breakfast. I was staying at a very nice hotel, and I had a very huge breakfast. A lot, indeed. Oh, there is also a water thermometer. I already measured on the other side, but let's see what does the water measurement says over here. Let's see. Okay, here it says 18 degrees, which makes me think that my thermometer is not correct because I have measured 21, but to be fair, I have measured in the shallow water over there, so it might make sense because here it is a bit more deep. So follow me as I'm celebrating Midsummer in the beautiful city of Kalmar at Ängö Badplats. Overlooking the Öland Bridge is fantastic indeed. So let's then go! Amazing. Happy Midsummer. Oh, it is sandy over here. It is so nice. So cool to stand. Let me show you more. That's actually over there, the green area. It's Ängö, and I was there actually yesterday. And I was so close to the bridge over there. Check out that video as well if you haven't already. So here it is also the jetty and the beach, and I'm going to be enjoying here a bit more before I head back to the hotel for checkout and to go over, take the bus to Öland. And I'm going to be staying for 1 night in Färjestaden and then continuing for 7 nights in Böda, the magical place in Öland. So, thanks so much for watching. Happy Midsummer from Kalmar, Sweden, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Queen.